Believe me when I tell you it's for the best.
Says the woman in the mask who's done nothing but lie to me.
Beginning scanning bridges ID. Verifying ID.
Sam, there's something I forgot to tell you. Managing your BB stress levels and reducing the risk of autotoxemic attack. There are a few things you can do if your BB starts showing distress.
Such as?
Such as take a moment to look after it. Cradle the pot, gently rock it, sort of thing. Out of curiosity, how's it doing at the moment?
Before I answer that, when I hook up my BB, I see things.
What kind of things?
Like a face, someone I... There's this room, too, with other people talking, but I got the words.
Lead-through effect. Didn't mistaking the BB's memories for your own. They're false flashbacks, nothing more. BB is harvested from its steel mother at around 28 weeks and placed in a pod. Even born. The procedure halts its development. But even at 28 weeks, systems have matured enough to process external stimuli. It is more capable of encoding this information into memories, which can bleed via your connection.
So who's the man I saw?
Someone from the medical team, maybe? Or a BB. The BB has been in circulation for a while now. It's been... How should I know which one made an impression?
'Cause you're the expert.
No one's an expert. These were developed decades ago in secret. They're your quintessential. We may use them, but we don't truly understand. Believe me, I've been trying to learn more, but almost all of the old records are gone. If I'll tell you, all right? Dead man's honor.
Clear. All weapons will remain locked until departure. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
It's okay. It's alright.
Sam, review the list of orders.
Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Well, you're arrested for network diagnostics. Beryllium monitoring and holographic systems are nominal. Fortunately, our printer is offline. I know. After all the trouble you went through to bring us those materials on us. We ordered a part a while back, but it never arrived. The printer needs it to the chiral network. Mules must have snatched it, caught that porter en route or something. If I'm right, they'll have taken it to their drop site, which is smack dab in the middle of their territory. Suppose you'd be up for stealing us our property back. Can't think of anyone more qualified.
Mama's added a watchtower schematic to your P. If you don't have it on you, consider fabricating one.
online. Beginning scan. Have a pleasant journey. Weapons restrictions lifted.
Call it a rule or a habit, but most always bring stolen shipments home with them. Find the post box, steal back the cargo. But be careful, these guys are armed. If this goes sideways, be ready to fight. Remember, Sam, reach the mule drop site. We recommend you use a watchtower to confirm the location of our cargo. Mule drop sites are rarely deserted, so undetected is key. Keep a low profile and move slowly to minimize noise. busy? Seems all the mules in your vicinity have been incapacitated. Damn addicts chasing a cargo high. Shame we gotta deal with their bullshit at all. Today, AI did everything. Deliveries were handled by unmanned vehicles and drones. It was sit back and let them work. It was revolution. Damn near singularity. No reason for it not to take off. But it like it when we took the human element out of the service industry. So, after some consideration, made jobs no one really needed and gave them to folks. And from there, it snowballed. Now we got cults of cargo hijacking shipments. Jackal's always on the lookout for the next port. Make sure you're not him.
Scanning bridges ID. Verifying ID. Clear. All weapons will be locked until departure. Cargo verified. Thank you.
Sorry to push you through so much trouble, but trust me, it'll be worth it. Excellent. The unit doesn't have a scratch on it. Never doubted you'd come through for us.
Sam, how are your shoes holding up? Not too well, I imagine, being what they are out there. Nothing ruins your day like shoes falling apart while you're on the job. Carry on like that, and it's only a matter of time before you injure yourself. I have boots to be added to your supplies. Bridge is standard issue, so you should carry an extra pair. But if you forget or run into trouble, you can fabricate another via a terminal at one of our many facilities. Good work, Sam. It seems you're as you're
See you around.
Congratulations, Sam. I understand you now have access to a chiral printer. Ordinarily useful device that can only function because of the manner in which our network is the beach, enabling us to transfer massive volumes of data instantaneously. Under normal circumstances, such transfers would take hours. Some have speculated that the chiral network might, in essence, that it is transmitting data. Suffice it to say, we have yet to fully grasp the fundamental nature of the network we have come to rely upon. One might liken our relationship with it to that of primitive man. Is it useful? Quite. Is it dangerous? Nevertheless, we have decided that the reward outweighs the risk. Furthermore, as the beach, it stands to reason that further study and experimentation could be. The same can be said regarding you, of course. Rest. I will keep you apprised of what I learn. You have my word.
Good work. New order available. Please access delivery to further information.